Today we'll talk about how can you enable many app notifications on your Pick app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, you just go above your photo, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this, and you click here on settings and you come to this list here. Then all you have to do, just click on notifications here. When you click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do now, just click on services here. So then you come to this list here, you come to many app notifications, click in this sign. Then like you see here, this color show for us, that's many app notifications enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.